In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Photos theme. To begin, let's focus on using the Google Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. A key point to note is that the app does not have its own theme switch. Instead, it follows your device's appearance settings. This means if you want to switch to dark mode, you'll need to adjust your device settings. To do this, open the Settings app on your device. You will see a variety of settings options. Look for Display and Brightness and tap on it. This section allows you to customize how your screen looks, which is essential for a comfortable viewing experience. Now, if you want to enable dark mode, simply select the option labeled Dark. This will change the overall appearance of your device, including Google Photos. Dark mode is beneficial as it reduces eye strain, especially in low light conditions. On the other hand, if you prefer light mode, return to the Display and Brightness menu. Here you can select the light option. This setting provides a bright interface, which some users find more appealing during the day. Adjusting these settings helps ensure your experience is tailored to your preferences, making it more enjoyable. Next, let's shift our focus to changing the theme on the Google Photos website. Open a web browser on your computer or device and navigate to photos.google.com. This is where you can access all your photos and albums stored in Google Photos. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find a gear icon that represents settings. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. Knowing where to find the settings is crucial as it contains various options to enhance your user experience. In the settings menu, look for the appearance option. Clicking on this will display three choices for you. You can select light, dark, or use device default. This flexibility allows you to customize your viewing experience based on your preference or the time of day. If you choose light, the interface will remain bright and vibrant. This option is ideal if you work in well-lit environments. On the contrary, selecting dark will switch to a darker theme, which can be easier on the eyes in dim lighting. Having these options matters because it allows you to create a personalized interface that suits your needs. Choosing the Use Device Default option means that Google Photos will match the theme of your device. This is particularly useful for those who like consistency across applications. It ensures your Google Photos app experience aligns seamlessly with other apps on your device. Remember, the appearance setting is exclusive to the Google Photos website. On the iPhone and iPad app, it automatically matches your device's light or dark mode, which cannot be adjusted independently. This concludes our guide on changing your Google Photos theme. By following these steps, you can create an interface that is comfortable and visually appealing to you. Take a moment to explore these settings and find the option that works best for your viewing experience. Thank you for watching.